Polyanther roses are charming and versatile plants that can bring an abundance of colorful blooms to your garden. Known for their clusters of small, delicate flowers and continuous blooming throughout the season, Polyanther roses are a popular choice among rose enthusiasts. This comprehensive guide will provide you with all the information you need to successfully grow and care for Polyanther roses. Choosing the right variety. Research different Polyanther rose varieties to find the ones that best suit your preferences and climate. Consider factors such as color, size, growth habit, and disease resistance. Select roses that are well suited for your local climate and hardiness zone. Preparing the soil. Before planting, prepare the soil by removing weeds, rocks, and debris. Incorporate organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and drainage. Test the soil pH and adjust it to a slightly acidic to neutral range, around 6.0 to 7.0. Planting. Dig a hole that is wide and deep enough to accommodate the roots of the rose bush. Place the rose in the hole, ensuring that the bud union, the swollen area where the rose was grafted onto the rootstock, is level with or slightly above the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water the newly planted rose thoroughly to settle the soil. Watering and mulching. Water Polyanther roses deeply, providing enough water to moisten the root zone. Watering should be done in the morning to allow the foliage to dry during the day, reducing the risk of diseases. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Pruning and deadheading. Prune Polyanther roses in early spring or late winter before new growth begins. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches. Deadhead spent blooms regularly to encourage continuous blooming and maintain a tidy appearance. Pruning can also be done throughout the growing season to shape the bushes and promote airflow. Fertilization and disease control. Feed Polyanther roses with a balanced rose fertilizer in early spring and again in early summer, following the package instructions. Monitor for common rose diseases such as black spot or powdery mildew and treat as necessary with organic or chemical fungicides. Practice good garden hygiene by removing fallen leaves and debris to minimize disease spread. Growing Polyanther roses in your garden can bring joy and beauty with their profusion of blooms. Enjoy the continuous display of charming flowers and the delightful fragrance they bring to your outdoor space. Happy gardening!